Hi, welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Thanks for your love and support to my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Today, I am going to prepare a new and innovative recipe, that is crispy drumstick fry. We normally used to make masala, curry or gravy with drumstick, but I have made a drumstick fry which will be loved by kids. So try this at your home and share your comments. First, cut drumstick into small pieces and add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half spoon of cumin powder and 1 spoon of corn flour. Then add salt as required. Mix this in a bowl so that the entire masala gets spread evenly on the drumstick. Now in a pan add oil. Add drumsticks one by one. The fleshy part of the drumstick should face the pan and the hard part should be above. Keep it in medium flame while cooking. Then add green chili which we have cut it into 2 halves. Now let us add curry leaves which adds a flavor and smell to this recipe. Cover the lid and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now we can see that drumstick has cooked. Now turn the drumstick to the other side. Once again, cover the lid and cook the drumstick once again for 5 minutes. Now the both sides of the drumstick is cooked well. Now our crispy drumstick fry recipe is ready. Now subscribe my channel for more new and innovative recipes from Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Thank you.